Hello, my name's JMO from a company called Xcase in the UK. You can find us at www.xcase.co.uk. We import computer chassis and we build up server systems. So today I wanted to look at a 4U chassis that we do, just introduced. We're calling it the X430L. And it's a 4U chassis, just 300mm deep. So looking at the front panel, you can see it's an aluminium front panel. It looks really cool. It's vented. The vents are on a slant, so you can't actually see them when looking at the front of the chassis. And you've got these two 5.25 bays, ideal for optical or other caddy. And here we've got our power switch reset, power light, hard drive light, and a couple of USB 3s. Really strong, solid front panel, and some good, strong, rugged ears. So, let's take a closer look. So now that's what we see as the big advantage, just 300mm deep. That really means it's going to help a lot of our customers out who really have restrictive space. But by shortening it from the older version, which was 400mm, we've still kept all the features and added some. So looking at the back now, your power supply goes here. So it'll take a standard power supply that you just use in a normal PC. You've got space for a couple of 60mm fans. And you've got this crossbar here, which will take two 3.5-inch drives. You've got four height expansion slots, and this chassis is made for ITX or Micro Atx motherboards. Another neat little feature is a caddy that's situated here. And that's ideal for adding a couple of SSD drives. Now, so a problem with restricting the the depth down to 300mm is that if you've got a longer card, then you're not going to be able to fit it in. So what we've done, we've made this shelf quite high up, which will allow for a lot of cards to go underneath it. But if that's not going to help you, and you've got a tool card, then this cage here will just completely remove, giving you the full depth of the chassis. And you can still use the SSD tray for operating system drives as well as the 5.25 bays. So as said, it will take a Micro Atx or ITX motherboard. Being 4U, there's plenty of height, so no restrictions on your CPU cooler. Hopefully, if I just move this over slightly, you'll be able to see the two front 80mm fans here. These are just powered by standard Molex connections. And, you know, at the end of the day, it's quite cheap for us to have them fitted when we're having these things made. But if you want to, you can just obviously take them out and replace them with a branded 80mm fan that you prefer. So all in all, a really useful little chassis. The depth is going to help out a lot of people. The price is reasonable. It's a really good, strong, solid construction. And well, we hope it sells very well. So I think that's about it for now. The X-Case X430L, great little short 4U rack mount chassis. Thanks as always for listening.